uNgqongqoshe wezasekhaya uDokotela uAaron Motsoaledi uthi iziphathimandla eTanzania zabe sezibekele uMagudumana noBester umnqamlajuqu wezinsuku ezintathu ukuba baphume baphele kuleli yazwe ngelithi bangene ngaphandle kokulandela imigudu efanele. Ngakho ke kuyimbudane ukuthi uDokotela Magudumana wathunjwa.
He then said we have declared these people, Thabo Bester and Dr. Nandipha Magudumana, as illegal immigrants into Tanzania, and that they must be removed within 3 days, if I'm not mistaken. They said they no longer want them in Tanzania, they must be removed. But they further said they will never hand them over to police in South Africa or the army, neither to any of their vehicles, because if they do so, they'll be doing the process called rendition, yes.
Ukuphikisa isicelo sika Magudumana enkantolo, Umnyango wezasekhaya ufuna imvume yokuphendula mayelana nesicelo sika Magudumana kwazise yiwo owabe uhola izinhlelo zokubuyiswa kaMagudumana noBester kuleli.
Declared Nandipha Magudumana and Thabo Bester as undesirable. And if you look at this document from the United Republic of Tanzania, it says notice to prohibit immigrant Dr. Nandipha Magudumana, nationality South African, female, etc. I'm just giving the example about, I won't read the others. You are unlawful present within the United Republic of Tanzania. You are hereby ordered to leave Tanzania within 3 days.
Motsoaledi uthemva kokuxhumana nonina kaBester bakhona kuqinisekisa ukuthi babambe umuntu ofanele, ingakho ke bekwazile kumhlinzeka ngomazisi omusha. Umnyango wezasekhaya udalule ukuthi uhlela kuyihoxisa ipassport kaMagudumana ngenxa yokuphula imigomo ethile, kanti ke isicelo sakhe uMagudumana sokuthi wathunjwa futhi waboshwa ngendlela engafanele sizodalelwa ngoLwesine enkantolo ephakeme ehlele eBloemfontein. Izindabeni zeSABC nginguNqubeko Nzimande.